In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize code for performance in Google Gemini. We'll walk through a clear, practical flow so you can turn a working snippet into something faster, leaner, and easier to scale. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser or preferred app interface so you have a fresh chat ready. Having your environment open where you can run and test code later will make validation easier. Next, paste your code snippet into the chat. Keep it focused. Include only the parts relevant to the performance issue so Gemini can zero in on the right hotspots. If your code touches anything sensitive, remove secrets and private keys before pasting. It also helps to mention typical input sizes or constraints like how many records you process or how frequently a function runs, because performance depends heavily on context. Now ask Gemini to analyze and optimize the code. Be specific about the programming language and runtime, such as Python 3.11 or Node.js 20, so suggestions align with your toolchain. Clearly describe your performance goal. Do you need faster execution, less memory usage, or better scalability for large data sets? Request line-by-line suggestions if you want targeted advice, or ask for a fully refactored version if you prefer a clean rewrite. Encourage best practices and algorithmic improvements, not just micro-optimizations. If your code relies on data structures, invite recommendations for alternatives that reduce complexity, like switching from nested loops to hashing, or from lists to sets where appropriate. You can also ask for rough benchmarks or estimated performance gains and the reasoning behind them so you understand the trade-offs. Once you've aligned on an approach, have Gemini generate the optimized code. Ask for clear comments and a brief explanation of what changed and why, so you can maintain the improvements long-term. If there are multiple strategies, say a low-risk tweak and a more aggressive refactor, request both versions so you can choose what fits your constraints. Finally, review, test, and compare performance improvements. Run your existing test suite to confirm correctness, then measure before and after metrics using the same inputs and environment. Time critical functions, check memory usage, and if applicable, test on larger datasets to gauge scalability. Compare results fairly, same machine, same data, same parameters. If the optimized version is faster and still correct, adopt it. If not, iterate by sharing the test findings back with Gemini and refining the approach. By following this flow, you'll harness Gemini not only to speed up your code, but to understand why the changes work, setting you up for sustainable performance wins.